mothers all over the world try to find how to lose stomach fat after C-section. As much a blessing that pregnancy and birth may have been, your body has been stressed a lot. What is left, especially after a C-section, is an apron of fat hanging down. There are a lot of things that you have to get used to, and dealing with that extra flab around your belly isn't one that you should have to worry about. All mothers have gone through this to one extent or another, whether they had a C-section or not. Many have found ways to lose this extra bit of weight they would rather not have. Not only is this considered unattractive, it can bring about pain and discomfort. Here are some ways that you might be able to overcome this. 1. Do Pilates exercises. Pilates is a very safe and comfortable method of exercising that helps to tone muscles and bring flexibility to your body in a way that won't stress it. It is able to be done safely by people of all ages and physical conditions. This will also help to get your body back in proper alignment. Not only will it help your body, it is very therapeutic having a background in yoga. Your body was stressed. Pilates will help bring peace back to it. 2. Walk. You may not have the freedom to go out for a walk every day by yourself, but this is a good excuse to show off that new stroller you got. Getting fresh air and vitamin D from the sun is good for both of you. Don't try to do too much too soon. Do as much as you feel comfortable with. Walking is a good aerobic exercise for you and helps burn the fat all over. Wherever it is that you have put on extra weight, this will help get rid of it. If you have a treadmill at home, take advantage of it during some of your baby's nap time. Don't think that you need to work out at every nap time, though. You need your rest, too. 3. Flutter kicks and crunches. Do exercises that focuses in on your abs. This won't get rid of the fat there, but it will help tone the muscles underneath. Crunches are pretty easy to do, but don't stress yourself too hard. Be safe and find the correct way to do them. Flutter kicks are exercises that you do while lying on your back. Put your hands under the small of your back and lift your legs a couple inches off the ground. Make quick, but gentle, kicking motions like you are swimming on your back. Do this for a couple minutes a day and you will find your ab muscles getting stronger. Make sure you don't push yourself too much, though. If you feel discomfort, stop what you are doing. If you can do these exercises and eat a well-balanced diet that provides you with the food you need to recover and the right nutrition for your child, if you are breastfeeding, you will have found a great way how to lose stomach fat after a C-section. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and for more video like this please click the notification bell. Thank you for watching.